Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This video I'll show you how to prepare perfect phulka in combination of Matar Paneer, that too not using tandoor. So I have taken 4 glasses of wheat flour. To that I am adding salt 2 teaspoons, oil 2 teaspoons. Just mix it well and then make dough out of this. So this would serve 6 people. Adding water to make dough. The dough consistency will be just like chapati or bit thinner than that. So dough is ready. So this dough will spread some oil onto it and knead it for 20 to 30 seconds, and then you can allow it to rest for 1 to 1.5 hours. So resting it for 1 to 1.5 hours is very important here. So that would make your phulka very soft. Now keep a tawa on stove, keep it at low flame and take some dough, small portion of dough. This would be fine, this much, and take it, roll it in between your hands like this, and then press it gently onto the wheat flour. Press it gently and then roll it using the rolling pin, just to give it a round proper shape. Use your palm like this to turn it. Yes, our round perfect phulka is getting ready. Yes, you have to put it upside down on the hot tawa. This we are doing at low flame now. So when it starts fulls on the sides and leaves the tawa, you can flip it around. So this will take 1 minute, and then I'm flipping it around, and increase the flame now after you flip it around. Now after 1 minute it is just forming bubbles now. See, now you can just place it on the hot flame like this. Yes, our perfect phulka is ready. Very beautiful, very tasty, hot. You can serve it with hot Matar Paneer. I'll show you how to prepare Matar Paneer. So 3 tomatoes I've taken, 400 grams of paneer, coriander half cup, onions 4 to 5 you can take, green peas 1.5 cups. So masala, dhania powder, ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, salt 3 teaspoons, garam masala 3 teaspoons, jeera 2 teaspoons, red chili powder 3 teaspoons. So this would be our masala. So first we will heat some oil. 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil we will heat, and to this we'll add jeera, add onions, add ginger garlic paste first. Fry it until the off odor of the ginger garlic paste goes off, and then you can add onions now. Fry it until it is golden brown. Yes, our onions are done now. We will add tomatoes. to cook it faster, we will add some salt, mix it, and then cover it with the lid and keep it for 5 to 7 minutes. So after 7 minutes we will take the lid off, and then add Matar or green peas. Green peas, as I told you, it is already cooked once. So if you don't have fresh green peas, you can cook it in cooker. Then we will add red chili powder, dhania powder, turmeric powder. Mix it. So garam masala, we will add it at the last. Now you need not shallow fry the paneer, add it directly. So mix it well, and we will cook the paneer for 7 to 10 minutes. So keep it for 7 to 10 minutes, and then you can take off the lid and then add garam masala now. At the last we will add fresh coriander and give it a quick mix. Yes, our Matar Paneer is ready, which is a very good combination with Phulka. Please try it at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe, like, share, and do comment. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.